Hi everyone, I'm showing you how I make Essaic tea. Here's the formula, the brewing instructions, and the instructions for use after the brewing process. Okay. Now I double up the ingredients just because I have no time and it makes it easier for me. Okay, so to start with, you need distilled water, the Essaic blend, and that's about it. I use 128 ounces of the distilled water plus 16 ounces, which accounts for some evaporation. You boil that water into a big pan like that. Okay, bring all that to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, you add the Essaic blend, which we got from Mountain Rose Herbs. It seemed to be the cheapest to get it from there, so to go on their website. I recommend ordering this booklet. Okay, here's the contact information for that. Okay. Alright, so what happens is you bring the water to a boil, add the blend, which is 4 tablespoons. Bring it to a boil, a slow boil, actually, for 10 minutes. Stirring it occasionally, okay, during the 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, you're done. You put the lid on it, and it's done for 12 hours. You let it just sit there. Okay, after the 12 hours, what you're going to do is bring it to not quite a boil, almost. Get it nice and hot. Alright. Once that's done, you're going to start straining it. So what I do is I grab this little baby and I just put it in here. Okay, and I start straining it. Pretty simple. Now, I'll show you. Alright, so then I take it out of here and I put it back in the bottles. These bottles I originally ordered from the Essaic handbook, from this information that we have in there. I ordered a dozen just so I would have the bottles. And it's a little expensive to keep buying the bottles, so now I just reuse the bottles after I do that. So what I do is actually I put a little bit in each one. Okay, go around, I fill it up, put it into each one. Don't quite fill them all up all the way, only because once you get to the bottom of this, it seems to get a little thicker, and you want to have an even blend of the stuff in there. So the last, 8 ounces, 16 ounces, I top all the bottles off around there. Okay, and then once you're done with the bottles, okay, filling them up, you let them cool down. Just let them sit there for a while until they cool down. Put the caps on, put them in the fridge, and you're done. So kind of easy. I think that's it.